Welcome to the Creatives Unplugged podcast. I'm your host, Umhligo, and sila eMovius Media at the says Waterfront. Siyabonga kakhulu kubo bonke abantu abasubscribe-ayo and niqhubeke nipresse like and subscribe. Today, njoba nazi ukuthi masifika sihlale sikhona la kuma creatives siniphathele elinye i-creatives, gospel singer, an actress, a media personality. Welcome, Phindi P.
Hi.
Sawubona sisijani?
Sanibonani njani?
Siyaphila. Siyakwamukela kwe-Creative Unplugged podcast.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes.
I think ngiyaqala ukuba kwi-podcast.
Oh, first time?
Yeah. I think the one I recorded before, ayizange i-broadcast.
Oh.
So this is the first one is a broadcast.
Iyaphuma ke le.
Iyaphuma le. Yeah.
Asilenze iphutha la ekhaya.
Yeah.
Siyabonga, sibonga nje umoya wakho and then isikhathi sakho ukuthi ube nathi. Just ukuthi ube khona nje to share your experience, your journey ku music, ku acting. Ngiyabona lapha ukuthi ube semsakazweni. So asithembe nje sizozwa more ngalo khona namhlanje.
Yeah, kunjalo.
Yeah, ngicela utshela ama creatives nabantu abasibukele nje la besibukele khona ukuthi uPhindi P ubani wakabani sibongo osuka kephi nendawo.
uPhindi P ingane nje ekhulele emakhaya we eShepstone ezingolweni.
Oh, eShepstone. Oh,
yeah.
Nice.
So ngidonsa umoya wangapha.
Baningi abantu baseShepstone nje abaningi abafika le podcast nalawo nabakhaya abakhona nje.
Okay. I like it.
Shine Shepstone, shine. Shothi ni active, ni creative eShepstone.
Yeah. Akuthi uyabona ukuthi abosifiso ngcane baqhamuka ngapha.
Baqhamuka ngale.
Sibaningi nje so kahle ukuthi masingahlangana nje ngaphuma into enamandla kabi. Sengibanikeza inselelo ke ngisaqa ukuthi guys, can you do something ishukumise ngapha?
And it's very important. Yabo ukuthi siba abantu sibenza ukuthi bathanda ukwenza more. So iyona into eyenza i-Creative Unplugged ukugqugquzela nokukhuthaza nje abantu abanetalent abathanda kuba creative abathanda ukwenza more ukuthi let's do more khona abantu bezokwazi ukuthi wenzani. Yeah.
So ke ngizalele eShepstone ngisuke khona mangenza ba standard 3 grade ba.
Okay.
Standard 4 grade lama grade lawa standard. Yeah. So we moved to eXhobo because bekunezimpi, if you would remember the site kukewa nezimpi eziningi kakhulu. So we moved with my mom and my siblings to eXhobo, which is the site lika mama. So safikela abanye baba seXhobo, mina ngaba seSunfaith ka aunt wami because phela besifakwa unyaka uphakathi, so sihamba sifunela izikole wherever you'd get school you stay there. So sahlala lapho until the following year we moved to eXhobo ke sonke sahlala khona kamalume kodwa ke saba nekhaya sasinalo. So ubaba is in Durban, thina sisilapha eXhobo. There is also amakhaya esiwashiyile eShepstone. So safunda lapha, and I think ngifunde about 2.5 years. And then we moved, ubaba wathi nongcono sibe sonke eDurban. So samuva cause besebenzela ngapha eDurban. Samuva ke saseDurban safunda ke eMlazi, impilo ke yaqala ke qhubeka ke sesiphila impilo yaselokishini, but nje basically mina ngingane kamfundisi noma mfundisi sikhulele emishini. Ngizothi imishini ngoba phela kukhaya kunesonto khona lana, yabona yonke into. So we were used to kuhlala nabazalwane nabantu abaningi, yabona nje akaze sibe nje ifamily sonto. So sikhule kanjalo, sabantu abathanda abantu, sabantu abathanda umculo, if sihlangene you know we sing nobaba ahlabelele sonke sibingelelana ngokuhlabelele ekhaya nje. Lo background nje yengane zakamfundisi ezihamba so.
So ufunda ke nendawo eMlazi?
eMlazi ngifunde eVela Bahleke.
Oh, EVP.
Ngifunde EVP ngaqeda khona ke matric.
Nice. So primary ubusangale eXhobo?
Bengisangale ezingolweni then eXhobo, then ngasifunda ke iminyaka u2 high school, which was grade 8 and grade 9. Then ngapha ngafika sengenza u10, 11 and 12.
10, 11 and 12. You were already active by that time. Mhlawumbe seeing ukuthi yazi ngathi nginesiphiwo la ukucula njengoba dusho ukuthi bese ngicula ekhaya or kwezinye izinto like acting or sports.
No, ngangababoni ko sports. I mean even being a recording artist, I never saw.
Oh yeah.
I never had it in my mind. Cause ekhaya siyayiculela nje, so we'd create a group, me and my sisters, cause vele sesontweni makiwe enkonzweni ethize. So fesicule sithini, you know, all those things ukuthi sihlanganise sesithole nabanye. So we were like that. But ke yimi ke engilandele the career. My sisters bafundile bazenzele ezinye izinto zabo. So mina I followed the career. Ngesikhathi ngisase primary or high school bengicula nje emasontweni and esikoleni ngiqala amaculo, but never had into yokuthi one day I'll be a recording artist. Iqala nje late.
Yeah, maybe in the assemble presenting something awukazi ubona ukuthi mhlawumbe ukhetha ukuthi uyokhuluma nabantu abaningi during that time.
Well, khona lilanga ngikhumbuzile
kwasuka
lo. Yabona lokuphapha lokho ukuthi usafika esikoleni high school uyakholwa yabo bese kuthiwe kuyofakaza yimi lo ya ngicela ukufakaza ngisho ni stage and ngasho ukuthi you know nginesolo kahle engifuna ukuyishaya la esikoleni yazi VP ngakanani futhi ngaleso sikhathi sasangcono manje sibaningi kakhulu abantwana ngacula lapha iculo engangilibhalile ngisakhumbula nokukhumbula ukuthi lithini angipedanga kanje ngayihlaye esikoleni ngaye ngabanjwa zinkwahla kwakubi angisazi yabo ngathi nje I will never ever do that thing again.
Kodwa umoya wawukhona, you wanted to do it.
Yeah, I wanted to do it. I felt like I love singing, but ngingenayo into ethi nje hayibo ngelinye ilanga engizoba umculi and seeing ukuthi futhi manje ngicula ke manje ngibheda kanje ayikho nje into yami ayikho, you know, but ke kwaqala lapho ke kanjalo ukuthi yazi the ikhona lento until kwakuboma 2008-9
yes
around there where I met Sifiso Ncwane.
Okay.
Yes. I met Sifiso Ncwane naye ngimthola kanjani. There was Babu Jerry Boy when auditions, so sends auditions for a stage play. Esasikhona kwinaledi December thing but in movie, not the movie. Stage play.
Stage play theater, yes.
So, and then kwafuna abantu abazocula, but also, obviously, you can't just sing and stay in the good theater. You sing and act. So then, ngase ngithola ke manje into yoku act. So mangihlangana noSifiso Ncwane sihlangana on that event eyenziwe uJerry Paul. Ufune uSifiso Ncwane ukuthi abe part of that gospel thing. And then uSifiso Ncwane athi ngiyathanda yazi ngimonga aba backing vocalist. So now this is the first time now saying ngi-dive in deep to ukuba music ke manje beside being music nje ukuthi bengihlala ngisemasontweni and meet people and then now we acting naye ngazi ngene kanjani isola senguma stage plays and I'm falling for it each day. So ngathola uSifiso Ncwane, I started being his backing vocalist. Abo Squealy kwakhula. Abo lots and lots of artists way back then abengisebenza now as a backing vocalist until again some other person ufuni ukurecord. I'm like, hey, I never thought of that. I said, no, let's try it. So when I started khona album yam EP yami not album and I release Raising Jesus Flag. Sasitesta amanzi lapho not ukuthi nje sasitesta amanzi. If this one doesn't work, this one doesn't work, then I'll continue ngihlabelele esontweni. I'm happy with it and I'm getting gigs even ngingarecordile nje ukubizwa abafundisi and I'm also getting my gigs through I'm an artist as a backing vocalist. So ayike yaqala kanjalo into how from EP to EP, from album to album, you know, we are here today.
Yo, what an amazing story. But after high school, angithi wangena mhlawumbe tertiary, you did something, wenzani khona?
I did public relations and I also did project management and some admin. You know, umuntu bakabamba ngene lapha bamba ngathi lokhu kuyasebenza aloku ne-nursing ngayizama 1 year. Hey, actually ngangifuna ukuba i-nurse nje. Ngangithi ngifuna ukuba udokotela yabo, but manje ama points angishaya ukuthi ngaba ku-nursing. Nayo i-nursing kwathiwa ikhona ama points asho kavele kwashoda nje kwakuningi yabo ngabona manje ukuthi no kungcono ngiye kwesinye isikole esi-private cause ngangifuna i-UKZN kwayisa ku-private school ngaqala ke ngenze ngifunde khona lezi izikole lezi ezikhona amaceleni yabo nursing school so ngaya lapho ngafunda kanti ngizovele ngilimale ngibe kwi-accident so ubona isikali so ngalibaziseka because ngangitshelwe lapha masifunda ukuthi isihlalo senesi inyawo zakhe so mina it took forever kwi-accident yami to recover even being able to walk and stuff so ngase ngibona ukuthi okay into yokunesa is out mhlambe ukuba bese ngifunda kancane yobudokotela mhlambe bengayenza because I thought mangenza ubunesi ngizothi 1 2 1 2 bese ngithi dokotela yabo manje ngabe uthi dokotela phindi cabanga
izinto ezenzakalayo
yabo empilweni bra yeah kodwa ke ngudokotela mina ngendlela yami
siyabonga phela yabo nje ubuntu uyithanda iyakulandela ngesimanje ngiyabuka mhlawumbe sisazongena khona ungene na kwi-Durban Gen.
Oh yeah.
Angisimanje is all about nursing and doctors lapha yana. Uyabona ukuthi ugcina uvelile ugqokile.
Ngicina ngivelile lapha yana nabo dokotela and many other bioscopes engingene kuwo nje bengisebenza kakhulu ne-DMP ama movies wakhona uMzansi Magic which iwona angi-introduce to abo Durban Gen. Ngathola okay sengena ku Durban Gen but then ke into ye acting ngayithola through music. So to me it's music is number one. If I get a gig yaka acting then I'll take it. It's okay but nje I'm more focused on music.
Mhlawumbe sisakuyona le Durban Gen, what was your character like? Ubizwa ngobani?
Your role? Nganguntombi. I think nganguntombi ngikhwapha lika MacGyver.
Okay.
Yeah, Zulu boy. Yeah, kodwa nje kwakunesiphithiphithi se-cheating esisenzayo lapha yana and stuff ukuze kulimala abantu. But I really did enjoy that. Though abantu babethi ukholwa u-actor Manyala like guys come on stop it.
This is live.
And this izinto ezikhona ezenzakalayo. I'm just acting. So abantu ke babe nakuthi I think njalo ngiba nalo ibhadi lokuthola ama role aseceleni nje angahambelani nento evenzengi into yabo so
guys it's acting sometimes the acting uyaphuma kwi-comfort zone yakho kodwa kunamanye ka anzima ubonayo ukuthi Nkosi yami
I cannot khona amanye ubona ukuthi guys
ufuna ukukhetha ngempela ukuthi are you into acting ngempela ngoba ziqhatha nabazali ezinye yabo ubona ukuthi manje kufanele ube enye into noma kufanele kuveza amaphathi omzimba
I just cannot guys I cannot show that. I think ngofana nomunye khona omunye uza kwethu kwe-acting engahlala ngizwa ukuthi yena mawumqasha yena uyasayina i-contract yakhe okay then bese akunikeze naye yakhe i-contract ukuthi mina angikhisi on the scene mina I'm not doing this and that then you take me or you leave me but this is my contract so I think if ufuna ukuremaina as a same brand in everything that you do respecting the same way i-acting izobe mhlambe ikuthi kodwa if ufuna imali and you don't care don't give a damn
sacrifice with
go because iyakudumisa to be honest if you want fame you'll get it within a blink of an eye.
So besides i-Durban Gen ikhona any actor mhlawumbe
like I said my bioscope.
Bioscope. The ones that are Mzansi Magic. Okay,
yes. Amaningi ke kona ka can't even remember. So abantu abaningi nje abangaziyo but lo sisoma bioscope because abanye yabo bayakhohlwa but uma usuvela kwenye indawo ezukhula vele you keep on changing. But sekuyilabo nje abaloku babuka ubioscope. Yena siyambona lona uyena lo
Sake sambona
lo Ben 10 lapha kule movie all those things yabo. But ngaqala khona indaba yoku-actor ke manje on TV and it really it was a great experience. I'm really honored kubaba Usithebe for giving me that opportunity for like 5 or 4 or 5 movies I did with him. Then I got to Durban Jen. And then after that, I was like, let me focus on music. If kukhona ongifunayo to come and act, I'm open, but I cannot be running around with my auditions.
I understand.
Yeah,
because in this case it goes with ukhula yabo and finding yourself.
Yeah.
You can't compromise a lot. Usugola in laphayana kodwa you know ukuthi usuwenza umsebenzi omngakanani.
I'm also doing radio on the side, and I'm also doing music. And there's MCs, there's a lot of things that one is doing. So if ngempela you take another thing, kufanele ukuthi ngempela izofaka imali, and you know. So but for now I'm focusing more on music and radio.
Yeah. Tell us more about the radio, like your radio presenting Ukhozi FM.
Yes, Ukhozi FM. Ngenza uhlela bathi ulibo lokuqala ethi bathi uhlelo lonkolo or uhlelo olumotivational ukuthi every morning mawuvuka ulalele lapha ubuye uthi yazi no I can do it for today, just for today I will do it. So it's more of a motivation and inspirational songs and music. Ukungena ku radio, I think everything I am yonke ngiyithole through music, because music, like I said, it's my first and everything. So I got radio through this guy that I met on this, I think it was a show kaSifiso Nqanile babathi yokuhlukanisa unyaka yabo lele yabo umhla ka31 awayenza way back then. I met this guy bakacula naye igroup yakhe ayiseko nokuba khona nje manje akasacula ukucula. I think wayeculela ukuthi nje azohlangana nami kuze angithathe angifake kulento eradio bese ayaphula like really yabo indlela zaNkulunkulu
just ukuthi kube khona impact ayenzayo empilweni yakho,
then bese futhi aphume yena angasaba na interest kwakuleyo nto abekuzokufaka kuyona. So it was something like that. This guy, I see him lapha uyacula, and then siyafollowishana on Facebook. Mangithi ngiyamchecka ubuya enza iradio. How okay, yazi ukuthi I always at the thing ukuthi yazi one day I would love to see radio, because angithi uyakhumbula lama radio akudala nalezi zinto eziphakathi lezi mayivuliwe, so you think ukuthi abantu laba, so lezi zinto ezincane yabo, so ngifuna ukubona ukuthi banjani mhlawumbe ngempela ibona laba la you know. So ngathi ngicela ukuzobona iradio lapho usebenza ebusuku 12 to 3. In mina ngaleso sikhathi I was working for another company, IT company. I worked for an IT company. As well, kwaku 8 to 4 job lo ngingakangeni ku radio sabamba nje ama backing vocalist lapha nalapha, like all those things that I said. So this guy, what was ngathi mina okay no ngizoya noma kusebusuku ngizobona sekuseni ngizela kanjani emsebenzini. Sangangena ke ngihlale nje asakaza athi namhlanje ngine guest bingelela guest, ngiyabingelela nami. And then athi makaqeda athi manje ibuye le guest yabona ke kuma community radios. I wouldn't just do that on Ukhozi FM. Ibuye ini guest ikadinga zokwenza lutho beyivakashini abafona abantu ayibuya bazi nabo ukuthi ayibuyeleni kwayisho ngolutho kodwa kumnandi nje ukuthi iyabuye ngiyakutshela ngabuya ngiphindelele umfana wasebenza 3 days in a week. So I would go ngisengihlala ngozela, but nje ngase ngithanda nami ngizibona ukuthi hayi yabona manje nguLinda Sibiya uzizwe ukuthi khona this one day angeke ngize ngilikhohle. Uthi ke awushaya link lapho siyayithola. Ngathi mina sesaya ke itolo sedayisa la ku Ukhozi FM lapho angazi ukuthi ngihlanganiswa yini noKhozi, because angikazi nje ngacabanga ngoKhozi ngikwimbokodo FM ukuthi ngitshela ubani ngoKhozi angazi. You know there's a guy ohlala ngikhumbuza lo nto athi yabo uthi uprofeta lapho amahlona ngibamba ngathi we angibuyi kusasa lo mfana uzongixosha uthi masesivana Ukhozi lwani lo luthathe ngithi mina ngazi yona radio engiyaziyo phela ngithi sikhule silalela Ukhozi. So mase kuthiwa ngise radioweni yabona lento ethi usengisokhozini because sasazi ukuthi iradio Ukhozi yabo. So ngabheda njalo kanti angazi ukuthi izongithatha iziyongibeka
Ukhozini
bra ngisokhozini namhlanje. I never thought, I never applied to get for that, for your info. Mangiphuma lapha ngendlela engangena ngayo ngifuna ukuthi ngayishile ngendlela engangena ngayo ke lapha kule station Mboko that ngavele ngagulukudela nje imanagement ayazi ngalo siso lokwefika la kodwa ngazi ngathi ngiyabona hawu uthi mfana woza kwi-meeting meeting ngihappy angisiyeni umsakazo wathi hey woza wena ne-meeting ngiyafika hawu senginefile ngiyabona amafile ama-artists lapha hawu okay sengumsakazi ayike ngayisikhondla somsakazo kanti kuzothi kusuka kube sebetholakala-ke abantu abazoba abasakazi ngempela so awusimele kancane ekhaya sizokufunela isloti sakho ayike ngapho manje lokangasola lutho-ke ngoba phela nami ngangingene ngendlela yabo nje iwindi wazi songifike kanjani la so ngahlala kancane ngathathwa i-highway radio challenge nakhona manje ukuthi kuthiwa la ngosakaza ngesingisi babo the first day ngiselapha usakaza wedwa kwaku-Saturday 3 to 6 inikezwe lapha kunamandiya kakhulu lapha e-highway akafona ngizwa nokuthi indiya lithini siyami Jesu lapho ngiyazama phela nami kuhlanganisa isingisi sami yazi sasivela abahleke la I've never been to a multiracial school so isingisi sami ngizakhele ngasakha Nkosi yami yazi ngathi ngiphuma khona mangibizwa ku-cause like I said uthi I got a DM on Instagram kwakusakhona uZandile ngaleso sikhathi mphathi weinhlelo wathi Girl ngicela ungisendele your profile and your DM. I'm like, who's this? Ngoba ngimazi nokumazi yabo so ugele ngamthumelela ke manje ngiyabheka ibo wasokhosini I went for the interview abona ke ngahamba uma sengifika okhosini ngendlela esengijwayele ngayo isingisi kwase kunzima ke ngesizulu
bukani ke manje
sekunzi ayisifake isikhathi lapha kuthiwa imzuzu umhlanu lishayile ihora noma ligamenxe yabo kufanele usho ngesizulu yo it was a struggle
it's not ukuthi 1 o'clock
wafikile lapha nesikhulumela isingisi nje kwayengcono usiya nje kuleli hlelo yabo all those things hey wathi umphathi please don't check ama comments on Facebook so when I stay away from social network because usafika and abantu basazokubhulisha and they really gave me my peace shame yabona bangithi banginikeza uphaya wami ofanele mina until umuntu ke wakhula because kuyona yonke into ufika uxekwa qala kuthiwa iyabheda lento yakhe and then you grow so today I'm here people are loving me I've got beside my page on Facebook, I've got a group that was created by fans. And abantu abaku 700,000 now that follows everything I do, the motivation, they repost, they pray for one another, whatever they do. But at least I know about it because nami ngathi phela abantu abakwazi ukuhlangana ngami because ibhalwe kwathiwa PNDP what so fanele nami ngibe khona ngibona ukuthi bathini but that love I never thought I will really get from uma ngibuka indlela engiqale ngayo ngakhona namhlanje hayi no
usuyayiphusha nje
yonke right nabantu bami
isho yakhe ngoba ngo3 ekseni
5 njengoba ngihlela ngiyozizela
uzela
manje because ngivuka u2 ekseni and by 3 you have to start kuzenzeka khona few experiences engingaba nawo la angazi kwakwenze njani yazi angazi Nkosi yami namanje angazi ngalala ngalala ekhaya ngalala Nkosi yami ngalala ngavuka kwashaya isikhathi sokungena ngafonelwa angazi ke nefoni yayenze njani yayihleli la ihleli khona ngangayizwa ngaphapha mayiphela ishow I think twice ngisasanda kuqala it was so challenging but then namhlanje I know saying right
take us through like from that time ekseni your prep usuku nobani mhlambe we thola kanjani inspiration because khona nalokho uthi iyazi abantu balele you know take us through nje your day to day usikwenzakalani kuwena ma prepper and then usulrun uhlelo
hey bra that show is not easy I'm not saying amanye alula but that one abantu bakhona bakabangene bafone bayakhala sekuseni yazi inkinga zisukwezi ngalezi ayikhathi nje izivukile mophapheme so you really have to have content or speak live every morning so whether I'm feeling down or I'm feeling good or nami ngiyagowa I have to mangingena on air speak live so and for your info, I don't have a producer. I
You don't have a
produce the show myself.
producer.
I'm all by myself. I'm the technical producer. I'm the everything. You know, so it's really not easy. It's draining sometimes. Feel like, oh, I'm tired today. I also need support. Something happened at home. See, emotionally broken. But when I open the mic, life has to come out of my
mouth. Of course.
So that is motivate umuntu ukuthi yazini uphinde iphuse shilo ngiyavuka man, it's fine noma kunzima, I'm going yabo. So there's prayer, there's everything. Some day I also have to pray myself yabo. I have to quote scriptures, I have to Google nami ngibheke ukuthi kuthiwani ngeBhayibheli yabo. So that you give abantu into ehlelekile ephilayo futhi. So it's not easy. It's draining sometimes, but most of the time because of the supports that my listeners are giving you. And bayavuka baphucupha amawashi. And right now sengiqale nokuba live on TikTok every morning when I'm there.
Yes.
So you get like plus 300 people that are there in the morning. That for isikhathi sasekuseni, the hours I work on. That's a fair number of people, you know. So there's others gabalalelayo. But it's one of the most listened gospel shows okhosini right now.
Singabakhohlwa nalabo basuke besebenza ebusuku nabo.
I'm telling you.
Ibona ke nje mhlawumbe abacontribute kakhulu. Yes.
Abacontribute ukuvulela umsakazo. Abanye bavulela abalalele ngisho ukulalela kangako, they are busy, but bahlala bavulile. So we thank you guys for your support.
Yeah. There is indlela yokunetworka nabo mhlawumbe bayafona sometimes.
Yabo okhosini wathi nje 086 awuqedi siyaflika. Abantu bakhona bahlala banjalo. I think they love umsakazo so much that bafuna ukuzwakala every time. So awubasweliki. So if ubonje uyazela, I've never had the experience, but more zela biza bona bazokhaphamisa bahlezi bekhona. They really support us as abasakazi emsakazweni Ukhozi FM, and we applaud them for that. Thank you so much guys.
Mhlawumbe before singene ku music, mhlawumbe khona la ekubeni umsakazi izinto experienceile wayithanda othi nje yazi I just love radio because of this and this. Izipho ngayibala nje ezenza ukuthi ubone ukuthi no, I love this job. Ngeke ngisuke la.
Yeah, I think for me is ukuthi yabona, beside being umntana kamfundisi ukuthi ngikhulele esontweni.
Yes.
I love music as well. But leyo ukuthi you get a job yento oyithandayo.
Oh yeah.
You know. Yes. So awustressi kangako beside ukustress ukuthi ngiyavuka ekseni, but laphana kuno music, I play gospel music, which is me. You talk to people, which is what vele I do mangabe ngenza motivation and stuff. So it's not umsebenzi kuthiwa kahle kahle ufundele basically. It's umsebenzi ophiwe uNkulunkulu. So hence mangiya lapha yana ngithi ministry to me. It's something that uNkulunkulu angivulele this platform to come and talk to my people
and
play your role and do what I have given unto you. This talent of yours must work for this community or for this country in whatever way. So to me, it's a ministry more than anything, and I'm joyful every time I go there. Sometimes I feel down. Mangithi ngiyacheck ukuthi bafakeni lapho uzanda music ithi kusazoba mnandi music nje, you know, ubone nengoma eziphumile, you know, it's something that you love. Ayikho into peaceful as doing something that you love.
Yes.
Yabo ukuthiwa uqashiwe uyaholelwa ngethalente
lakho.
Bra. Abantu basebenza nzima lapha bayahamba yabo. Fanele ukuthi ubuye ekhaya ukhathele. When you come back, you are filled, you've got joy ukuthi bengenza into engiyithandayo. Mhlambe la qasha kwaLion King nje ufike uyiculela uyisinele mothanda ukusina, whatever that they do, it's a talent. You know, it's something that God given unto you ongayisebenzelanga. So there's no peace that surpasses that.
Yabo. And akekho omunye umuntu ongayisusa futhi, because masibuka istory sakho, you started from invite on the show and then look at where you are right now.
Yeah, if uNkulunkulu ayibekile uyibekile. Yeah.
Asingene lana ku music la ofila khona ekhaya nakhona.
Yebo.
Yes. Ngiyabona ukuthi usuka wabamba ngisho ama awards amaningi.
Oh yeah.
Amanye international.
Oh yeah.
Tell me about that international award.
2024
Yeah.
is one of my highlight years of my life.
Yes.
Yeah, I entered AMA Awards through this other South African guy, Osehlala, pastor actually, Osehlala Peshe. It's been so many years. He stays there. So he's telling me, AMA Awards, please enter. Yeah, I entered. When you enter, well, okay.
Yeah, vele
Ndiyaphesheya lena angeke hawu mangithi okay banginominate which is good, and then kuthiwa kuyavotwa we kuvotwa online abantu abayazi lo bafuna i-SMS yabo. So I was like, okay, let me just do it. Being nominated, it's also branding on its own. Ngeke nganominatwa internationally. Well, I then had to go for the awards. I flew. Kaya khona emangifika ke ngiyawina.
You get to say Texas.
At Texas.
What?
Yes.
Nice.
Ngiyawina at Texas. And people loved my songs, loved my music, and I felt like, hey bo, I felt home away from home.
Yeah.
You know. So really, I never expected that. I thought I'm just going here. Angithatha as a holiday. Nje ngiyoyivakashela mbona abanye abantu abaculayo because I love music. But I really never thought I would win it. So I came back with it. It's one of my highlights.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
There's
more, like I said, it's 2025. Besides, my first award was on Gospel Crown Music Awards. I think it was 2018. Best Contemporary Song, which was Raising Jesus Flag. And then from there, I won what? I won amanye awards. But 2025, I also won in Nigeria. Around September, I won.
2024, Lord.
2024. Yes, so 2024. Why am I saying 2025? 2024.
Yes.
So I won February, Texas, and then towards the end of the year, I won in Nigeria. So I've got Africa Award, I've got International award. I've got my local award as a South Africa, Abu Gospel Crown Music Awards. I've been the best female in 2023, if I'm not mistaken, which is one of the greatest categories. Akona Guma Crown. I was so excited to be the best female of the year. Like really. So there's many. I think now at least maybe 6 awards I have.
Hayi maningi kakhulu. Awubaningi yazi umuntu ukhona ojabulisa u1 abanye bajabulisa u2 wena 6.
I think I'm there khona noMpumalanga Awards. So baningi nje ama awards akhona. So I'm really excited. Nami ngaqala kweyodwa. Ngangi excited ngangibona ukuthi ngingalala nayo umvuke nayo every day because I'm happy. And then today yabiza amanye. So even right now I'm nominated Ghana, Guma Ladies in Media Awards.
Nice, yes.
They nominated me as well last year, but I never won. But I think I won. Why being busy again? Ngazange ngwini. Shithi ngawina mina ngazi ukuthi wini babonzi lo muntu lo yabo so banginikeza bathi sicela ukumnominate again. Oh, okay, it's fine, let me accept the nomination. So I'm currently asking people to vote because nakhona you vote mahala. You just get into on the site yabo and then you check the category yami and then you select my name and you vote. Ladies in Media Awards, www.ladiesinmediaawards.org.
Bazongithola
lapho just to vote for this category, the African female musician. Yes.
Yeah, and then i-album yakho yokuqala obusitshela ngayo, the first one that you did. Ikhona enye olandele ngayo mhlawumbe owabona ngayo ukuthi okay mhlawumbe wa-featureisha abantu abathize.
Featuring. On the first one, I never featured anyone.
Okay.
First of all, it was an EP, Raising Jesus Flag, which was just I released, like I said, let us test waters, but Zazi Corners new. So I compiled all the songs and I released an album 2020, even in COVID. just
Oh,
on
lapho,
COVID years.
2021.
Yeah, 2020, around
2020,
there. So I
yes.
released the full album.
And then it after 2019,
It's
about 2020, yeah.
Is it?
Ingene kakhulu ngo 2020.
2020, yes. So I released the album Gele, which was the first full album now. Then I released during that time of COVID a single, it's a Reveal Yourself.
Yeah.
Wonke umuntu release something uthi bandla, let's motivate people, you know, uthi God reveal yourself. Ake kube khona isolution yale COVID. Hey, futhi ngoba those times we never thought they would pass.
Hey, kwakunzima kakhulu.
Kwakunzima, abantu befa left, right and center. So ngafikelwa ingoma ethi Reveal Yourself. It was a single during that time. Yeah, season yeah, COVID. And then saqhubeka 2023. Which year is this now?
2025.
23. I joined Spirit of Praise under Babu Benjamin Dube, which was one of my highlights as well, because I've been liking him and been a crazy fan yakhe.
Oh yes.
Yes. So ukuthi ngithole into ethi woza sicela uzosebenza nathi ku Spirit of Praise. I did that with Spirit 8. I did that and then that was it. But I'm so grateful for the opportunity that they gave me with Jenny Amio Music. Yes. So that was my other highlight on music. Then I released now 2023 the Ngo Bambelela single, and then I released what you call the I Believe. Thank you. See? Yes. And then I Believe, and then also 2024 as well, the EP, Altar.
Prayer Altar, yes.
Prayer Altar, where I featured K. Oh, even on I Believe, I featured as well Udumi Mkokstad, one of the songs. Yes. Okay. That was my first feature. Yes. Udumi Mkokstad is a song ethi Moya Slambele Wena on that I Believe EP. And then kule Prayer Altar, I featured Tusindi Ntombela. I love that girl. I love that woman so much. I love that mama. Anyway, yeah. So I featured her engomeni ethi Mthandazweni Sohlala Khona.
Yes.
She did wonders on that song. So I've got only 2 features on my album, besides me being featured by other people, but me Nanje on my album, it's only 2.
Nice.
Yeah.
I saw something like angazi noma ngobambelela a video where you were doing a live performance, and then there was like backing artists ngapha nangapha, and then it was more lights. Angazi noma ithi ngobambele, it was bishutwa ubuyilida.
Okay.
And then there is a video on it na ku YouTube ikhona.
Yeah.
So ngibuka that time when you were doing it, wonke lama back artists ukuthi ingoma vele uyisebenze nabo bonke nabantu.
Yeah.
Nayisebenza studio. How was that experience? Because ngibona ngathi it was an event, it was like maybe a show ubuyenzile.
Yeah, I think the event uyibona ku YouTube.
Oh, on YouTube.
Yeah,
yes.
it was a recording, a live recording.
Oh, live, yes. Ama-camera hamba kanje.
Yeah. That was a live recording. That's where the song was released from. It was released from that live recording. And you know how I got that song? I was coming from work at Sen, and I had that, you know, ma feel discouraged for whatever reason. You just feel like, hey, yes, I can't do it anymore. I feel depressed. And then I had this thing at and then I felt the melody while driving from work to home. About 5:16. I felt oh, okay, I can mix this sound, the melody with this.
Yeah.
It became a song, and it was one of the songs that people loved.
Big time.
And not that it was the first time writing a song. Ngiyibhalele most of amaculo now, but I think ukubona abantu beyicula ingoma yakho yabo ifila ngendlela ukuthi hayibo kanti ngibhala into esile yini vele yabo because uhlala ungayithengi
I saw the spirit, like the connection, even you guys with the band when you were like ending. But people were like still singing. And then it came back. That's when this is so... and you feel the power. You feel...
you feel it.
Yeah.
I think it was the first live recording I did, a small one with my friends and some people. Hence, a show now. But we'll talk about it. So that was like, haibo, if labantu laba bangaziyo, bekwazi ukucula into yami kanje kusho ukuthi ikhona into ekhona uNkulunkulu ngempela ayibekile.
What an amazing journey. So manje sikephi ke manje, what are you pushing in terms of music? Your EP le kade sikhuluma ngayo ihamba kanjani, abantu bangayithola kanjani?
EP ikhona on all digital stores.
I
think the I Believe one ayithola ngashem kahle ukupusheka like the singer abo ngobambelela nale imani ngcono this one ke prayer altar. But we are working on a live recording now.
Oh, nice.
Live recording 30th of May at Durban Playhouse. That's where we're heading. 30th of May this year. It's a live recorder again. And this one is open to the public, not like the one I did. I've got a low self-esteem. But I've got a low self-esteem. When I started. But now, faith phela yakho kufanele ikhule nje empilweni. So I said, okay, let me try and do this. I booked Playhouse, so it's happening on the 30th of May. We are live recording again. This time we're saying grace notes. Amahubo musa ngokuchaza ngesizulu. So huba sizohlabelela sizocula for ukubonga umusa kaNkulunkulu for keeping us for this long.
And already it may be ingoma osuyibhalile lezi. It's only that nizobe niyo recorder because manje uMay useduze.
Yes, uMay useduze, and we're going to be starting our rehearsals very soon and also pushing even on social media because we have released amatikiti akhona and web tickets ka Pick n Pay. But I work to push that people be encouraged to buy tickets. We're going to be doing that as Pela Linyanga Feb. Makalu March we're beginning, we are pushing so that abantu gutik shali date CBSS is sold out.
Please send us more info about the show, the event, the recording session. I'm a poster available so the podcast.
Oh yes.
So very post.
Yes, my poster corner. They're all my social networks and every information about the event. It is there on the poster as well. But it's happening at Durban Playhouse on the 30th of May or 7 Tambama.
Nice.
Yes.
So maybe in closing, mawukuthi kunamazwi angakhuthaza umuntu osibukele njengamanje mhlawumbe ufuna kube igospel singer, ufuna ukuyibona naye umsakazi, ufuna ukuyibona umuntu ongcono, imaphi amazwi akhaliphile esingayala ngawe youth njengamanje?
Ngathi if you want to those that want to be a gospel artist, I started serving at church.
Oh yes.
It's very rare to find a gospel artist engakazi save. So abantu bafuna ukuqhamuka sebeba ama celebrity sebe recorder ungathenekanga esontweni. That's where you should start. Go to church. If you've got this thing with, hey, ngiyezwa ngiyawuthanda music, and if your church, you are blessed with your church has music, find a way. Khuluma ngena ku worship team, traineka lapho. Khona abantu abazokubona, like how it happened to me. I was seen by different pastors bangimeme ngingaka recording should record because I was serving faithfully. So it is so important that in everything, every talent ike onayo, serve faithfully, do it with all your might, and uzobona uNkulunkulu uzokukhulisa. Like indaba eBhayibhelini where uNkulunkulu wanikeza Noah imathalente awu elilodwa, lo amnikeza amathathu, lo amnikeza u2. Yabo lo i1 yena wa decide ukuthi hayi ngizohamba ngolugqiba ngoba ithalente, kanti ithalente you work for it. You keep working it. If kuthi kudinga ukuthi ambe ufuna umunye umuntu ozokutrainer do that so that you will grow. You've got a talent and you want to be an actor, you want to follow these people. Ask, knock. Abanye bazokuvulela, abanye ngeke bakuvulele. Empilweni kunjalo. Abanye bazokuphendula kabi, abanye bazokuphendula kahle. Empilweni there are those people ekuthiwa ama destiny helpers. Esingeke sizoswathole kunanoma ubani. It's those people that are designed and planned by God for us. Ukuthi bona bazosisiza endleleni. So if ungakahlangani ne destiny helper yakho, uzofika kuyona. Keep knocking and keep pushing. Impilo njalo. So as a young people or as a young person, wherever you are, make sure ukuthi yazini I'm working my way out. I'm gonna reach my goal.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Siyabonga kakhulu, siyabonga. Ngithemba ukuthi uzosikhonzela nathi emsakazweni.
Definitely.
Funa asivuke silalele madoda, asivukeni kusasa silalele.
Nicupha amawashi nje.
Yabona makuthiwa Creative Unplugged podcast. Silapho nathi.
Yeah.
Siyajabula kakhulu. Mhlawumbe in closing futhi akukho esikhohlwayo ufuna ukusho. And special thanks to people who are close to your heart.
Yeah, I think I would love to give a shout out to my dad, my siblings who are really giving me support, Kulendo Music. You know, if you are not having, basically, so signing contracts year after year. Njoba kuzo April nje siyatatazela. Kuthi Jehovah usikhumbule. Kabe umuntu uzovuselelwa yini. So akukho lula financially. It's not easy. And music it's even worse. You get gigs and you're not. Yabo, and you have to spend. Njoba nje ngizospenda recording and you're not really getting that back. Sesingasho nje sithi izokhokhela kumali amathikiti. Umuntu engasakhokhelanga nje before the event, azokhokhela amathikiti ayikhohle. Amathikiti ayilingani nemali osukuyispendile. So I thank God for my sisters for support abanginikeza even financially. You know, so I can never thank them enough, and I thank God for the team that I work with. There's one Dakwela, which loko ngaqala ucula yena producer wami, and there are other band members and singers that I've worked with. I'm so grateful to you guys. Shout out. We are doing it again. And this time I'm also working with Ubabuli Ndelani Mkhize from Joy Celebration. I'm very honored. I'm very honored ukuthi mhlambe into yami izothi ukuthi thuthu. So ngiyayicela ke isupport kuna noma ubani obukela le live. Please let's go buy tickets. So ngizobona into yamehlo.
Hayibo. Hey, sezibona ngicela ubatshele la kule camera uthi uhleli noPhindi P ku Creative Unplugged podcast. Don't forget to subscribe.
Hi, ngihleli noPhindi P ku Creative Unplugged. Please don't forget to subscribe on their YouTube page.
What? Phindi P. So enjoy performance yakhe. Siyabonga kakhulu wonke ama creatives abantu abasibukele. I-performance ke mase sithi hambo lala. Yebo. Siyabonga kakhulu ngakhohlwa ukusubscribe and press like lapha ku page lethu. Sinthanda kakhulu nok-interact nje nathi nisho ukuthi nifila kanjani. I-guest yethu nikhulume nayo izoniphendula nayo mayithola isikhathi. Ave sibathanda abantu abenza more. Ave sibathanda abantu aba creative. Siyabonga kakhulu sonibona on the flip side.
When ungekho ngobambelela uwe ngobambelela uwe ngonamathela uwe akukho mpilo when ungekho ngobambelela Yes, Lord. Amen. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you for having me. Be blessed. Amen.